Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this one I'm showing you how to invest your 401k on Fidelity for early retirement. So you need to head over to Net Benefits. Let me show you this website. Okay, and navigate to your investment options. Do not forget to, of course, log in into your account right here by using your username and password. Then you just click on your 401k plan name from the main dashboard overview. Then you select Quick Links drop-down menu right next to your account summary and click Change Investments. Here you will see two options. You can, for example, click Change Future Investments to choose where your new paycheck contributions go, or select Exchange Existing Investments to reallocate money already sitting in your account. Next, let's pick the right low-fee growth funds to build long-term wealth. Click on View Investment Options, or just press Investments right here to review the exact funds available in your employer's plan. If you want a hands-off approach, choose a target date freedom fund matching your target retirement year. However, if you are aiming to retire early, look for low-cost index funds like S&P 500 or Total Stock Market Index Fund. Check the expense ratio column and favor funds with fees over 0.10%, so high management costs don't eat into your returns. Then enter your allocation percentages across your chosen funds so they total 100%, and then click Submit. That was it. Enjoy as always and subscribe.